Hello students, welcome to Adarsh Digital Channel or Adarsh Digital Classes. You know that previous lecture we will discuss about the relation between drift velocity and current and relation between drift velocity and electric field or potential. Correct or not? After that we will discuss about the Ohm's law. In a Ohm's law, the name of the Ohm's law is produced to the scientist name of George Simon Ohms. George Simon Ohms is a scientist in a electric field or electric area. Okay, it is a German scientist. He is a physician and mathematician in a University of German, and he is a work on the electric field or electromagnetic field. Okay, we know that, and we will discuss in a previous lecture about the relation between current and drift velocity. When we applied potential in a conductor, then what we done, due to the drift velocity, the charge it flow to one point to another point. Yes and no? P to Q, charge flow. That what we happened, current is induced and current is produced. Okay, then Ohms introduced how to current depend on the external electric field or potential difference. Okay, he is proved by the experiment, and after that he is show the mathematical relationship between potential and current. Okay, let's start. Is firstly make the circuit diagram of Ohm's experiment. Okay, dear student, what is this? This one is ammeter. What is the ammeter? What is the work of ammeter? Ammeter work is measurement of current. What is the measurement? Is measure current. Okay, in a conductor. What is the use of key? On and off. Okay, and what is the battery used? It is a source. What is the use of battery in an experiment? He provides what is electric energy in the circuit. What is the voltmeter? This one is an image of voltmeter. What is the use? Measure potential in the conductor or load. And what is load? This one is load. What is load? Load is different type. Energy consumer is called load. Energy consumer is load. And what is this one? This one is rheostat, represented by RH. What is rheostat use? Is provide variation in potential and current. Okay. Now start draw the circuit in a experimentally Ohm's law. And also 10th class students also watch this video, because in a 10th class electric current chapter the Ohm's law also be conduct. Okay, so let's start. Firstly circuit. Okay, the first point of the battery is connected through the conductor or conductor wire, first point of the key, and second point of the key is connected the first point of the ammeter. Ammeter always be connected in series, you know that. Okay, then second point of the ammeter is connected to the first point of the load, and in this experiment we are use the load through the bulb, and second point of the bulb is connected. Second point of the bulb is connected through the conductor is rheostat, and second point of the rheostat is connected the second point of the battery. And voltmeter, you know that voltmeter always be connected in the parallel to the load. This is a circuit diagram, and now flow the direction of current. You know that direction of current is positive through negative, then flow this direction current in this experimentally circuit. Okay, This is a circuit diagram of the Ohm's experiment circuit. Okay. After that, the Ohm's measure by the help of variation between rheostat when current flow battery, then measure the current value by the help of ammeter and measure potential value by the help of voltage. Okay. After that, what will happen? He is making the ratio and taking ranking or reading of V and I. Okay, and make a relation between V and I. Let's start how to make a relation between V and I. Okay, when ohms is measured value of V and I, then make it a graph and show the graph is linearly show. This one is V and this one is I. Then graph always be show this type. Okay, when he measure the relation between V and I, क्या किया होगा उसने? What we done? He is taking different type of reading and different type of reading of ammeter. For example, firstly is use the volt, potential is 2 volt, then reading is something is 1 ampere and then is 4 ohm, then is 2 ampere. Then what be done? A relation is find out between V and I. And what is relation? It is an important relation in the electrical environment and electrical field of all over. V directly proportional to I. What is V? V is potential difference across the conductor, and what is I? Current flow in the conductor. But stop and watch. Ohm's law given a terms and condition when we apply the relation between V and I. What is the terms and conditions? Write down the definition of Ohm's law experimentally. Ohm's law say, what is say? If no change in physical change means, example, length of the conductor, comma, cross section area, comma, nature of matter. Okay, this in a physical change. Firstly is what is length of the conductor, means if the length of the conductor is constant, no change. Cross section area, for example, this one is a conductor, the length is L and this one is cross section area. So no change in length and no change in cross section area and nature of the matter. What is the mean of nature of the matter? For example, this is copper wire, then also his hand is copper wire. No change in length of the conductor, cross section area and nature of matter. Okay, this is the important terms. ये important terms है क्या चीज? No change in physical changes. किसी भी physical changes में अगर कोई change नहीं होगा, then what be done? दोबारा लिख के बता देता हूं मैं क्या है लैंग्वेज हम लोगों का. If no physical change, what is the mean of physical change? Length of the conductor comma area, which type of area? Cross section and nature of matter, no change. Then what we had? Then flow of current in conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the conductor. Okay, done. What is the Ohm's law show? What is no change in physical changes? Okay, then what is happened? Current is conductor is directly proportional means linearly dependent on potential of the conductor. After the experiment, he show his physical relationship or mathematical representation. V directly proportional to I. Every student know when we are remove the proportional mark, every time a constant are present, and constant is IR. What is R? Resistance, called resistance of the conductor. Okay, and what is resistance? Resistance is a property of material of क्या properties है? Every time resist oppose the flow of current. What is the reason of flow of current is opposed? Due to the drift velocity, when current or charge flow to one direction to another direction, when we applied the potential, then is repletion between the electrons and collision between the ions and electron. Due to the both reason, the every times flow of charge or flow of electron is speed is decreased. That is decrease the speed is called resistance of the conductor. Okay, now we will after that we show the circuit diagram of a conductor. This circuit diagram we made beforely, and this circuit diagram, this is called symbolic diagram. What is this one? This one is the symbolic of potential or voltmeter. What is the working of potential is measure the potential difference between the load. This is a load. What is rheostat? Rheostat means the variation, provide the variation between potential or current. This one is plug key and this one is ammeter. Okay, ammeter always be connected in series, ammeter always be connected in series, and potential always be connected to parallel to the load. Okay, now timing is result. कि Ohm's law ने क्या क्या result लिए थे? Firstly, you know that what is the result जो सब जानते हैं. क्या रिजल्ट था? V इज इक्वल टू आई आर. यस एंड नो, सबको पता है V इज इक्वल टू आई आर होता है. तो क्या था इसका इंपॉर्टेंट? फर्स्ट टाइम पे रेजिस्टेंस के बारे में पता पड़ा था कि हाँ, कंडक्टर के अंदर कोई ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी भी होती है जिसकी वजह से कोई चीज अपोज हो रही है, जो करंट में वेरिएशन डाल रहा है. कब? जब एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड या एक्सटर्नल पोटेंशियल या एक्सटर्नल हम लोग पोटेंशियल उसमें अप्लाई करते हैं. इससे क्या हुआ था? इसी की वजह से आपके घर में अब बिलिंग वगैरह थोड़ी सी कम आनी शुरू हुई है. सपोज रेजिस्टेंस इंड्यूस्ड ही नहीं होता, इंट्रोड्यूक्शन ही नहीं होता रेजिस्टेंस का, तो आप कॉपर वायर लिया था, एल्यूमिनियम लिया था या क्या लिया था, डज नॉट मैटर. पता लगा कि रेजिस्टेंस हम लोगों का कॉपर वायर का कंपेरिजन ऑफ अदर मटेरियल, फॉर एग्जांपल एल्यूमिनियम से कम होता है. इसीलिए आप लोग अब बोलते हो एड आता है कॉपर वायरिंग करवाओ, अभी कूलर वगैरह में करिए. तो फर्स्टली किसने इंड्यूस किया था? वो ओम्स ने. तो मींस रेजिस्टेंस को सबसे पहले जो इसने नेम दिया था, जिसने समझाया था, वो ओम्स के अकॉर्डिंग था. इट इज क्लियर. तो ये हो गया हम लोगों के पास पूरा इसका रिजल्ट. यहाँ से हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं व्हाट इज आर की वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ आई, वी अपॉन आई. और रिप्रेजेंट किया था इसको किससे? एक ग्राफिकली रिप्रेजेंट दिया था वी एंड आई में. उसको कैसे दिया था हम लोगों ने? व्हेन वी आर टेकिंग द रीडिंग of I and V, then always be graph is making linearly. When applied terms and condition, what is terms and condition? In a constant temperature, the no physical changes. What is the physical changes? Length, cross section area and nature of matter. This is represent, consider this one is theta, and this slope is represented by the or through the resistance. For I am making graph. Consider this one is theta, then tan theta, slope represent tan theta is equal to what is I upon V and represent by 1 upon R. So slope represent in a graph is V upon R. It is clear. That is a totally explanations of Ohm's law. फर्स्ट टाइम पे आप लोगों ने जाना व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ ओम्स लॉ. V इज इक्वल टू आर आई. ओम्स लॉ नहीं था असल में, उसने आप लोगों को बताया था कि जो R है रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द कंडक्टर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन वी अप्लाई द बैटरी एंड वी आर फ्लो एंड काउंटिंग ऑफ द करंट. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट द एग्जांपल एंड वन न्यूमेरिकल वी आर सॉल्व इट. ओके, on your screen show एक example or one numerical related to the Ohm's law. What is a 4 volt battery? Given that 4 volt battery is placed in a series with a resistance is 2 ohm. ठीक है, what with the total current with the flow through the circuit. तो we know that what is we know that V is equal to IR. What is find out I and what is then Y is equal to V upon R. Correct or not? What is the value of potential? 4 volt. Put the value of potential is 4 and what is the value of R? 2. Cancel out, then answer is 2. What is the unit? Is ampere. Current unit is, then current value is 2 ampere current flow in this circuit. Okay, so dear student, that is the today's topic is completed. What is Ohm's law? In a Ohm's law we are including the different method of the Ohm's law experimentally. After that we making the result. After that we are find out of what is resistance. Okay, तो घर पे रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए और पढ़ते रहिए आदर्श की डिजिटल क्लासेज में. जय हिंद, जय भारत.